What do you think, what is the biggest misconception about addiction that you wish you could correct? Ano yung mga feeling ng tao, ito yung kapag addict ka, na you could somehow correct?
That there's no hope, hindi na sila gagaling.
Na once addict ka, forever ka na.
Yeah, if just one, that there's no hope. Kasi there is.
Mm.
There is.
So with therapy and stuff and
Yeah,
medicine.
with proper treatment, no, and proper counseling, they could go back. And I have seen people go back.
What's the biggest thing people can do today to reduce the risk for developing an addiction?
Invest in your relationships talaga. It's the best protective factor for you. Not only that you get that dopamine, but you get people accountable for you. Kasi usually itong mga napupunta sa addictions, they don't have good relationships with the people around them. Kaya nagtatago. And no one can help them. And I try to help them get back on their feet and encourage them to really build relationships. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng ako lang yung tutulong sa
If someone is watching this and thinks na baka may addiction ako, what should they do first?
Well, try to assess muna if you have some form of control pa with that task or with that habit. If wala, no, you have to try to open it up sa mga trusted people mo. Kasi itong mga addictions na to, no, nagwi-weaken once they are brought into the light. No? Kasi it's no longer a secret. Na-unload sila. That alone is disarming the power of that addiction. Kasi may nakakaalam na nung pinagdadaanan nila. At yung nakakaalam, hopefully, hindi sila ginudge. If they don't feel judged, then the more they are likely to seek help. So, nadi-disarm yung power. They don't have to face it alone. Kahit nagda-drugs pa yan o nagagamble pa yan, they don't have to feel alone.
And finally, if you could give one piece of advice to every young person watching this about drugs, gambling, social media, and addiction, what should it be?
Always look at the bigger picture.
Mhm.
No? What do you want to be 10 years from now? Because your reality right now does not have to be the same in the next years, depending on the choices you make. So, minsan kasi pag nandiyan ka na, ang nakikita mo lang yun ngayon. You feel that this is it for you. Pero try to visualize you 10 years from now at nakarecover ka dyan. What did you do to get there?
Actually, kasi I think the biggest part is admitting na may problema ka.
Dapat yun muna.
Kasi a lot of people say, kaya ko yan. Or it's nakakahiya
Dapat.
to tell someone.